Hey guys, welcome back to my morning routine. So today was a late start for me at 4:44 a.m. I know, day's basically over. Pop a quick shower and then make sure teeth and skin are taken care of. And I don't think any morning routine can be complete without a delicious and healthy breakfast. This breakfast was quick and filling to get me through the day. I try to leave home by 5:30 a.m. at the latest to avoid that good New York traffic. Fun fact, NYC traffic doesn't typically start until 6 a.m. Something nice about my commute is I get to watch the sunrise. A 10-minute walk to my destination, and I'll listen to some beats or a podcast. Upon arriving, it's go time. I'll spend 30 minutes doing a full body warm-up, followed by shoulder mobility, flexibility, and PT work. Strength training begins at 7 a.m. This will go on for a couple hours, depending on how I'm feeling. Today was body weight exercises only, as I'm still recovering from a shoulder injury. When I'm feeling strong, I tend to do progressive overload weighted calisthenics. Next up is climbing. Climbing normally lasts 2 hours. These 2 climbs were definitely very fun and very cool to shoot. I guess something about jumping through the air from hold to hold just never gets old. And finally, it's time to go to work. At this point, it'll be 12 p.m. and I consider the morning officially over.